What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie BBQ. It is time for me to pick the Minos Living giveaway winner. I'd like to apologize for taking as long as it took for me to get this out, but I had a few things come up that kept me from getting to this video. So for that, I apologize. Before we get into this winner, I do want to let you know that I have two more giveaways coming up. I have a Hippie BBQ giveaway coming up that's going to have a few items in it. And then I will also have Sabas marinade giveaway coming up in the near future as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's pick the winner. So I am using the YouTube random comment picker. I'm going to go ahead and paste my URL. Let's run it. We have 64 unique comments. Let's go ahead and pick the winner. So our winner is John Herner. Let's see what John won. So congratulations to John Herner. Looks like you are the winner. Looks like you chose the espresso maker. Great choice on that. Trust me. Please go to nohippiebarbecue@gmail.com. Send me your address and we'll get that shipped right out to you. Thanks everybody for entering. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.